Taoiseach wishes to make a statement regarding the tragedy.
Concorla, I'm shocked and saddened to hear of the balcony collapse in Berkeley, California. My heart breaks for the parents who have lost children this morning, and I can only imagine the fear in the hearts of other parents whose children in California this summer as they seek to contact them now. I want to give the Department of Foreign Affairs telephone line, which is 01 418 0200. 418 0200. It's with great sadness that I confirm that a number of young Irish citizens have lost their lives while a number of others have been seriously injured. It is truly terrible to have such a serious and sad incident take place at the beginning of a summer of adventure and opportunity for so many young people on J1 visas in the United States. The Department of Foreign Affairs and Trade at Concorla has opened its Consular Emergency Response Centre, and an experienced consular team stands ready to provide all possible consular assistance to the Irish citizens affected by this tragic incident and to their families. Our Consul General in San Francisco is in close contact with the authorities and will provide assistance to those affected on the ground. It is too early to say at Concorla to know the full extent of this dreadful accident. A full investigation is underway. According to information from the local police, there were 13 people on the balcony at the time of collapse. While there is no official confirmation yet of the identities or nationality of all those involved, current information suggests that all of those involved are Irish. I had a call at Concorla from the Ambassador of the United States to Ireland, Ambassador Kevin O'Malley, who had many of the young J1 visa holders in the residence in the Phoenix Park prior to their departure for the United States. And he has expressed his sadness at this situation and has tendered the sympathies and the condolences of the people of the United States to the people of Ireland, and particularly those parents and families of the young people involved in Concorla.
Thank you. Deputy Micheál Martin.
May I join with the Taoiseach on my own behalf and on behalf of my party in offering our deepest sympathies to the families and friends of all those who were killed and injured in Berkeley in California. Our hearts and minds go out to the families, to the parents in particular, that their young children, that their lives should be taken from them in their prime, in the fullness and in the beauty of an American summer. Looking forward to a great number of months there, as so many Irish have done before them. It is very, very, very sad news indeed as it broke today. I think all of us in the House are united in conveying our deepest sympathies to all who have been bereaved.
Thank you. Deputy Adams.
Could I also wish to express my deepest sympathy on my own behalf and on behalf of Sinn Féin for the families of the 5 Irish people who have been killed, who have died in tragic circumstances in Berkeley and North California, and to the families of the 8 others who have been hospitalised. Agus Tamwinchik Swinu, Ernadini Bacht Shaw, Agus Magiano, our Covrone, our Achala, Egan, Ur, Bronach, Shaw. Gormagat.
Deputy McGrath.
Just on behalf of the technical group and the independent TDs in Dáil Éireann, I just want to offer my deepest sympathy to the families of those who died tragically in Berkeley, San Francisco. It's absolutely an horrific day for those families, a very, very sad day for the parents, because we all know people, we all had children that went in the J1s, we all know they go out during the summer holidays over many, many years. So it's just such a sad day for those families, and I want to offer my deepest sympathies to them, and also to join with all the elected members of the Oireachtas in offering our support and solidarity, and also our deepest sympathy once again. Thank you, Concorla.
Thank you.